Hey there, folks. This is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 5807 North Atlantic Avenue in Cape Canaveral, Florida. Now I'm at Unit 623, and I just wanted to show off this gorgeous condo that I have listed. We are listed at $260,000. We are a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Isn't that cool? Nice open space. Cute little kitchen, lots of upgrades. And we're going to cruise down the hallway, see this gorgeous floor that we have in here. And of course, shower tub combo. And check out the kitty cat sleeping on the bed. Nice big bedroom. As you can see, we've got a nice big bed, big furniture, plenty of space in there. And we're going to go out into the dining area, into the living room area. And again, big couch, big furniture. Still feels like there's a ton of space in here. And check out this patio. Nice screened-in patio. Super long, runs the whole length of the condo, and we do have our laundry out there, so you got your washer dryer outside. Look at this gorgeous area where you have the pretty green flowers and some privacy behind you there, and nice big view of this area. And we're going to go on into the primary bedroom. And again, huge room that does have the sliders to go out to that patio area. And as you can see, we've got enough room in here for 2 beds and a desk. So you can't say that there's not enough room in here for everything you want. We have a nice big walk-in closet. Oh, and there I am. I was trying to avoid that, but walk-in closet again. Really pretty flooring all the way through. And in the primary, we do have the shower and no tub. So those of you who do not like the tubs, we do not have that here. Again, we are listed at $260,000. We're a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo here in Cape Canaveral, really close to the ocean and the river. So best of both worlds. If you are interested in taking a look at this property, you can call or text me, Margaret Klein, at 321-480-7662. Or if you're currently working with an agent, just let your agent know you'd like to take a look, and they would be glad to get you in here. Thank you so much, folks, and you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.